no so babedia. This was not a game that he expected it to end this particular way. But in such national teams, then once the national team you lupa or move in terms of Omujino Monaso, no one is here Newman time ko yifa Italy ni any.
Yeah, how much Omujo Monaso pa.
Oh, in terms of the World Cup over the Euros, so the number of trophies or margin. But this time around, no man said down ko yifa these particular national teams. It's a question of one year scapegoat, 1 year funny scapegoat. A coach na say a system no. And now we give the dia. Italy even after scoring the first goal had to defend a lot. Now what's na so in terms of the results in the PM and the quality of players are. Obebusa question say ada many players sana. Donnarumma on that goal post Mudima Paris Saint-Germain as a number 1. Uo Di Lorenzo uko PM or Napoli or a starter. I'm not sabo under coach or coaching or Napoli. There is not supposed to be any excuse for him to own performance.
Lorenzo rise on a Napoli captain.
Yes. What they are not told Chiano about Gianluca Mancini. No about Bastoni for Inter Milan. Di Marco as a left back. Barella, Brian Cristante, Sandro Tonelli, Matteo Politano, Ciro Immobile, and Zakagni. Now, Uremwa, or Ma, who come with teams maybe able to make your machine Jeze with Mudie. Ye fat top players, or Moon Shedani players, or Moye Gidibias, and Matthias Politano, Napoli is Sapa. Zakagni for Lazio is there, but not necessarily a top player in that particular setup. But if you look at Barella, Brian Cristante, Tonelli, these are strong midfield players that should be giving you results at the end of the day. And then Bona was some more say to me but with the under Spalletti, no be one national team. I'm a first game. No, these were players that look so off when it comes to how Obesity are dominated this particular encounter. Di Marco or thriving more in a 3-back system than even a 4-back system. But here lies the case here. Di Marco, the left back. How do you get the best out of Di Marco playing as a left back, not necessarily as a left wing back? It's a question for more reason or no. But omo ilan apene de tonche ade po omo ni twa so pa ye Donnarumma omo di na attempts because of this goal
we na nye
kromo fo nya omo si da bi free so called Paris Saint-Germain no ne body mo ko omo si be bi ogina na nya bo free kick ni mo free kick ni be share no e na bu wo he di ni position ni be bi ogina na ho na ball no so ko share
azunia mo de mo fem
omo jitum say unia mo ne de abu dia bi
awe na nya nkofo ya na ama Italy anko World Cup
omo na ama Italy anko World Cup
izele we ya de o ze elo mo shobo la lewo be ya draw
ele no mo ba be nya draw but the scapegoat no mo yi no omo se Donnarumma mo pia ni sinche national team mo mane mo biem omo ma Vicario Tottenham Hotspur for goalkeeper la ko fa ni sisi adnaban na no Saturday o se me ka se bi che o se o one player free so free AC Milan ko pia mo Paris Saint-Germain no mo dwane hu ni se the level no mo expect so bedru no onu ho another scapegoat almost Ciro Immobile near the night captain no crowd mo mpekra na goals no mo anu ahye ba ko bi no ko anoma providing list where they are say notable Italian players are goals almost share per game na the odi kan Gigi River 42 games 35 goals but goals per game ni gina 0.83 Giuseppe Meazza odi omoje World Cup 53 games 33 goals 0.62 per 90 minutes Silvio Piola and then 34 games 30 goals. That means 0.88 goals per game. Roberto Baggio, 56 games, 27 goals, 0.48. Alberto Gladino, 57 games, 19 goals, 0.33. Luca Toni, the World Cup in 2006, 47 games, 16 goals, 0.34. Ciro Immobile, 57 games, 17 goals, or average 0.30. Tomu ni say strikers aye hu omo kra na e sare captain Samba na ball no it the scapegoats have become two in the Italian national team which personally Abu Dhabi me feel say it is rather the system rather than even individual players are more blame omo. Italy wants to move from playing international football to become a dominant force in terms of in possession football. It will take some time and most of their players and they in their clubs no produce players them national team no most of them are buying foreign players.
Yes.
First na the Italian league Okoha teams be the AC Milan. Omo and the Italian players do na. Then Inter Milan the foreigners do because that is how it is international Milan. Sanity. But then Juventus set up no so check first 11 and checks ni free for Poland. Quadrado free one the call. But oyo move fifi Pogba free
France.
Locatelli na Italian. In this game Campo yan start Locatelli. It is most of their players within the setup in terms of key players cost is munina omonye Italians. Yasi someone e do ma be dey. Ababeshemu.
Danilo mo.
Bremen mu favor.
Amunyina Brazil for.
It is Vlahovic, Serbia. Kiasa no club bobo de bia na Allegri do so sorry a lot de check akara wala bobo kakra. Then you move to AC Milan. AC Milan front four no cry hwam. Olivier Giroud France. Christian Pulisic
US.
Rafael Leao
Portugal.
Junior Messias.
All those fee.
Brazil no free buy.
Oh, okay.
Obi free bench so be replacing your one Chukwueze.
Also v Nigeria.
Over midfield two now Loftus Cheek. Any Tijani Reinders.
Baku Holland, Baku for England.
Aha. Their key player in terms of defense, you want Hernandez over here.
France.
Goalkeeper over here.
Goalkeeper over France. Aba Korea AC Milan like no crowd starting lineup on say Italy for Omundru 3.
Omundru 3. It affect omo. Then ukopie mo Inter Milan omo ni international na. And omo goalkeeper en wan.
Goalkeeper is your mark of a Ukraine goalkeeper.
Aha.
And then aba.
Ana Germany, Switzerland goalkeeper ya no.
So you mean you that.
Then Jansome. Then no about Bastoni. Italy. Then no about Stefan Divide.
Holland.
Milan Skriniar is here on every one me at the core. Di Marco, Italy. Denzel Dumfries. Holland. Nicolo Barella.
Italy.
Hakan Çalhanoğlu. Turkey. Then Ubakwen Molotaro Martinez mo.
Argentina.
Marco Marcus Thuram deny France. Abu. Italian national team, they have a big problem.
A hard dream. The Obobo Bosono. Oh, check him. Say, you cry. AC no cry. David Calabria.
Almost set up at a Pierre.
Fikayo
Tomori.
Omunina so yawo.
Awo. Iti. Omo anan komukuta national team no. And omunina no. They are buying internationals, and it is changing from how Italy is sitting home. Now, no, that was for us. We now for us 4-1. Germany. Now, after 2018 World Cup, Germany has not been the same again. Omoje World Cup 2014, no more 2018, no more film group stage. You know, it is more or less say no more to say old guns more team me also me you film the new players here day ever. And that is why they found say the problem. So it was a time for transition. But I asked myself, say Germany empire, I didn't a transition. The free 2018 basis Samri. When you old guys don't want to but still national team performance and the eternity, it doesn't change. And they nipa didn't year scapegoat Hansi Flick because of Muji Tum's performances over the last few games has not been good. You might agree with them that it is true because in the last 5 games, our Bono 3-2 against Belgium loss. 3-3 against Ukraine, draw. Against Poland, Omalusu 1-0. Then against Romania, Omalusu by 2-0. Then against Japan by 4-1. You can agree to the fact that the performances of the team under Hansi Flick has not been enhancing at all. And then it now boils down to even the win percentage and Sakran or the Baby free, by minute the Ababe PMO Germany national team. 81% win rate between 2019 to 2021 for Bayern Munich. Then 2021-2023, 48%. But you ask a lot of questions. You say, and the Germany national team, Lankas and Abu Dhabi, Osha, Omu players, Omu Wana, can have it in your force number 9. You achieve something? Enkoye. Even the team Lankasano, or Danene Sano, you say, yeah, Leon Goretzka, ne Joshua Kimmich, no more pivot. No, my main fa Joshua Kimmich in what number 2. No, you inverted to say the name, you who say players be say Alexander Trent, Arnold Moyede, no. Nina aso amfa mame edume bi ko ka so obe benche Leon Goretzka mu nyina de o ma konchen so mo ntena nche na ebi mu mbo eno so mo benche o ma o benche Leon Sani o benche Leon Goretzka Serge Gnabry o de o mu nyina ato nchen including Thomas Muller at a point in time o ka chen say wo national team de krama ba no krama wonye dey emobiem ni nyina no results ama so he changes players, he changes system, he changes a lot of things, but yes still results no kwa na equal the same. Now on Saturday, Varas be video be of World Cup Qatar. Or Tramobo say or trust you or Mono Mukabo make match Violon. Nini so Uncle Siaga. The biggest problem of the Germany national team does not have to do with the coach. Abu, it has to do with the system and personnel. Yes. Now, Germany, the level of quality na esusu or trim some one omuni.
Quality no. Players here Germany way.
Omuni.
Who's the quality no of?
Abuni. Yakasa my Germany center backs pa wouldn't be to John Watten level coming there why?
Is that Robert Bre?
Aha. If you feel in Abeka Leon Goretzka, anyway, Joshua Kimmich. Even those two pivots in the crown, Thomas Tuchel no Germany ni ko PM or by Munich no. also omumienu no ompe number 6 foforo meboa
yes
amakofa Conrad Lima na yede aba yes to also ope number 6 foforo adenti na Joshua Keme susu hunu zo number 6 okoye interview ko ka say hunu zo number 6 ben no way Leon Goretzka Bayern Munich wanted to sell him. He decided so onu ni nyeden on free war. These are the two starters. Leroy Sané, how consistent no you Bayern Munich?
I on and off kakra.
Serge Gnabry, how consistent?
Other crazy akra from.
So the key player you can rely on no in Germany national team assistants currently. Player Germany for nyina anytime so nyina e akolare so 19 years. Jamal Musiala.
So German national team na Bafem.
So they are also trying to sacrifice the coach. Okay, fine. We develop Mbabesum. Yanshe the way we develop Musuju Mediebeko. But according to these numbers, you definitely have to agree with the Dutch Football Federation as to some Mujana Kwine. Because Abu Dhabi, she listed that on Jackie Low, where points per game, aging at 2.09. Unya Joaquin Klesman, aging at 2.06. Hansi Flick and Kwa, aging at 1.72. That means Hansi Flick is only Dan Enrich Rebeck, who coached the team between October 1998 to June 2000. It's Abu Dhabi. Baby aging no. If you read the numbers and points per game now, me to me say it does not sound too well for a coach. Now replacement and Abu Dhabi shall list.
I we don't quick one person machine.
Oliver Glasner, Rudi Voller, Klopp, Sama. Unya Klopp say. I don't think Zinedine Zidane will be ready to coach.
So why not person machine?
Abu Dhabi should try Louis van Gaal.
Germany.
Yes.